dripping hot wax on you.
Well, you know.
It's not the first time she's had it.
Licking those lips. He's ready.
Here you go, buddy. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Colin. Happy birthday to you.
Blow.
Oh my god.
Yay!
Alright.
Yay!
We should have a cupcake cake. Yummy. Let's get that piece of wax off there.
Destroy it.
Do it.
Be my son. Be my son.
Carl, you can go back over there.
Is it yummy?
He acts like he knows the icing's the good part.
It's not the first cake we had so far. Last one.
Did y'all
nice. It was
practice?
all over the place.
I do a practice run. Oh, it's all right. We'll just wash his clothes. Bibs aren't very good for anything.
Yummy.
That was like a good piece.
Wow.
You're good.
Very
Good job,
refined.
buddy.
Amanda, you just cried.
Colin's like, I don't have a fever anymore.
Our neighbor's little boy that you met,
Yeah.
dude.
Yeah.
Just thought it was hair gel. Going for the.
Yes, he
He
just
went
blew
all
it.
in, didn't he?
He got a few bites, but mostly he wore it.
Carl did
Nice.
not.
I'm rethinking the whole green velvet cake idea.
Oh.
But at least he's wearing
I
a
got
green shirt.
Can we get
Yeah.
it? Can I get it? Can I get it? Oh, you know, Daddy just ruined
The
everything.
key is, will it look green later?
Does he need another cupcake?
No, we're good.
Do you want a green velvet cake? Are you allowed to eat them?
I get my Batman cupcake.
Oh, you have
Yeah.
Batman.
For your birthday, you get Spider-Man. Batman and Spider-Man sound very much alike.
Sounds good.
Yeah, he's gonna have Spider-Man.
Oh, yummy.
There it goes.
Down.
Yummy.
Uh-oh.
That's a bummer.
Wyatt wants some.
Oh my gosh. You can take care of
There we go.
him while he's digesting that.
Yummy.
get down? Y'all amped up on sugar? You had some margarita earlier?
Let's see if I can get my husband Everyone else is welcome to desserts. I mean, you always were anyways.
Yeah, I really had my eye on the number one.
Bummer.
It's alright. We'll give it to birthday boy.
Go inside.
He's so selfish.
Oh, cake on your nose. Does birthday cake make you happy?
Yeah, he's like, I was sick earlier.
Right, but now I feel really
So
good.
fantastic. Those are yummy.
Need a fever earlier?
Huh?
Like cream cupcake balls with cream
Is
cheese.
this what y'all were making?
Yeah. And everybody start putting the twisted juice.
So what are they?
I
They're
love balls.
they're cake balls. Do you ever go to bakerella.com?
Wow.
Oh, you can walk in front.
Yeah.
You take like a cake mix and then you put a tub of frosting and you mix it up in your mixer and then you make balls and you dip them in
Is Mommy
chocolate.
even got it on you?
But these are actually mint filled Oreos mixed up with cream
Colin,
cheese.
how's your cake, buddy?
Yeah.
I know. Yummy.
This
They
is
taste
why I
like
don't look like
Andes.
Giselle.
Right.
Giselle's probably not eating this stuff.
I don't know what his. I mean, I ate what his stools are.
How long will the green last?
Like I'm gonna have to. Oh my gosh, we're going to the emergency room right now. What's wrong with our son?
Was it yummy?
Is he good?
Yay!